Hello and welcome to Morning Method because I'm good, Grayson, and this is Mom. We're on a lesson today, so that's why I'm doing a one sentence.
Good
Yeah,
morning.
here it is.
So last week in Algebra 2 class, we've been learning about our conic shapes. And so I wanted to show you how to draw two of them today. So today we're going to construct a circle, which I think you already know how to do. That glare is horrible. And an ellipse, which maybe you don't know how to do. But this actually directly relates to what we've been learning in class. Much better. Thanks, Greg.
Yeah, you just have to hold it down.
So Grayson's going to help me learn how to draw circles and ellipses. So I'm going to switch to the Ziggy cam.
Cylinders.
Oh, well, maybe we'll cut out some Play-Doh on another one. What do you think?
You just have to. Oh, you just have to.
Oh, it's okay because we're going to switch to the Ziggy, okay? All right. So first, let's learn how to draw a circle. So Grayson, do you know how to draw a circle with our things that we have available to us?
A pencil?
A pencil?
Yeah.
Okay. And what if we want it to be a perfect circle? We can use that thing that you have in your hand. So why don't you show them what you have in your hand? Over here. What's that called? Do you know?
No.
This is called a compass.
Play-Doh.
This is called a compass.
No, it's called a Play-Doh.
And you probably used it in geometry class, or if you're in Algebra 1, you'll use it next year in geometry class. And so a compass helps us draw a circle. And so the way you use a compass is we have a pointy part and a pencil part. So you put the pointy part wherever you want the center of your circle to be. And then you just kind of turn it and, oops.
A mouse!
Basically what it does is it keeps the pencil exactly the same distance away from the center, which is called your radius. And then,
ooh, that is a perfect circle.
There's your circle. Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
It's just
okay. So you can make the circle bigger or smaller.
Is it okay if I outline it?
By making the pencil closer or further away from the center. I feel like this is one that you already know, right? This is something that maybe you've done in the past. You're outlining.
I'm just outlining it.
Okay.
So it's easier to see.
The one that we really want to focus on today, though, is an ellipse, because maybe you've never tried to draw an ellipse.
I don't even know what an ellipse is.
Oh, what if I said the word oval? Do you know what an oval is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just you squash a circle.
That's exactly
what it lopsided. Is. Oh, it's a lopsided ball at Kids Corner.
Or lopsided
ball.
It's
like so lopsided.
Yeah.
It's literally an oval.
Oh, okay.
It's literally an oval.
Yeah, so that's a great description of what an ellipse is. An ellipse is like an oval, so it's like a squashed circle. So if we take a circle and we squish it down, we get an ellipse.
It's so lopsided.
That's also
when you try to play with it, it goes onto the other car after one single bounce.
Oh my goodness.
It's so
This is another shape, though, that we've been learning in Algebra 2 class. So I put down a piece of cardboard so that we don't puncture holes in my dining room table.
Yeah.
And then I drew our coordinate plane, kind of.
Well, you punch a hole in this and then do it in the same spot.
In Algebra 2 class, we learned about our focal points, our foci. And so, maybe you were wondering, why do I need to calculate the foci of an ellipse?
There's an eraser on this.
And we need to calculate a foci of an ellipse to draw the ellipse. So what I did was I took a piece of string and I tied it to two push pins. And my push pins are going to represent my foci. And so here's the middle. And so I'm going to put each one. Do you want to do close or far, kid?
Oval.
Oval. Do you want to
just kind of keep on little moving the pointy parts.
Do you want to do close or far from the center?
Medium.
Medium. Okay, so right in the middle. So I'm going to put one here. And I'm going to put the other one. We want to go as close to the same distance as you can. Here, okay?
What's this ball for?
So those are my foci. That's to make the pencil in and out. And then what we're going to do, are you ready, Grayson? So here's how we draw an oval. We have our two foci. We have our string. Oops.
What a foci?
Oops.
Oh. Okay, it stopped this time.
Thanks, bud. And we're going to pull the string as tight as we can. And if we follow this string, it'll help us draw an oval. So there's the top. I'm going to flip the string to the other side. Maybe, there it goes. Connecting here and.
Ooh, triangle. Oh, so that's how you draw an oval.
That's how you draw an oval.
That's really cool.
So that's how you draw an ellipse. So here are my foci, my focal points. And when we put them pretty far apart, what do you think happened with the ellipse?
Can I do something?
What?
The perimeter.
Perimeter. Good. I love it. All right, so here's my focal points. They're pretty far apart, right? Okay. What do you want to do for our next ellipse? Do you want to make them closer together or further apart?
Closer together.
Closer together. Okay, so now we'll see what happens if we put them closer together. I'm going to do it on the back of this paper so we can compare when we're done. So I'm going to put my focal points now a little bit closer to the center. So I'm going to go right here. What do you think is going to happen to the ellipse, Gray? If I put these push pins closer together, what do you think is going to happen to my ellipse?
It's going to get
compared
smaller.
to this one? It's going to get smaller? Okay, so let's try it. So we put the pencil in the string.
Oh, maybe it might stay the same size.
And go like this.
Oh, it looks like it's staying the same size.
That one pin just does not want to stay inside.
Looks like it's going the same.
Okay, and then we're going to flip it to the other side.
Oh, it looks the same.
Does it look the same?
Yeah. Actually, bigger.
It's bigger.
But no, it's a circle.
It's almost like a circle. Yeah, so here's our original one with our foci pretty far apart. And then here's our new one with them closer together. And the closer we put our foci, the more it looks like a
circle.
Circle.
So if we put it right there, it would be a circle.
Exactly. So you can make your own compass.
All of it depends on top of each other.
You can make your own compass at home. If you don't have a compass like the one that we had, you can put one push pin right here. And if you tie both ends of the string to the same push pin, then you'll have your own compass. So instead of tying to two separate push pins, just tie them to one, and then you can make your own compass. I've also seen people do it with paper clips, where they push a paper clip underneath and make it that way.
Cool.
All right.
So you don't have to spend more money.
What if we put them like super far apart, right?
Oh, then it would be like super
all the way out here.
Then it'd be a super oval.
Super oval? Okay, let's
might even be more lopsided than our ball. I mean,
this one push pin.
I mean, this one. I mean, the first one you did wasn't even close to how lopsided our ball was.
Oh. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so here they're super far apart. So what happened here? What happened here when they are super far apart?
So it got smaller.
It got more squished, huh?
Yeah, but more lengthy.
Yeah, so this one is taller, and this one is more lengthy and more squished. So the further away the focal points are,
wider, but
the wider
taller.
it gets. Yeah, the further away they are, the wider it gets, and the less tall it gets. It gets more squishy.
It's kind of like when you pull into strings apart.
When you're pulling, oh yes. So stretching and compressing, kind of, huh? Yeah. Taking it and stretching it out, or compressing it this way. So that's what we have for you today. We have how to draw an ellipse with 2 push pins and a piece of string. And until next time,
adios.